Hey y'all, and welcome back to my blessed channel. So I just want to say really quick, I have not posted a video in only a few days, but it feels like it's been forever. So just a quick update on everything. I figured I would just update you guys really quick. I am so tired I could die. So me and Alan are moving again, but this time we're actually not moving out of state. We're just moving to another apartment. But let me tell you, it has been insane, and I don't even know how I'm breathing right now. I'm under so much stress. It seems like we've been packing for over a week, and then it's just been going on for days and days and days. It's been cold, it's been raining, so we've been doing all of this on our own with lovely Virginia weather, and I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack. And I'm actually serious, like, I am like overwhelmed with anxiety and stress right now. It's just crazy. Man, I don't even know where to begin with the stress. I don't understand how me and Alan could pack up apartments or whatever we were staying in at the time and move across country from Virginia to Texas, from Texas to Virginia within days. And yeah, it was a little stressful, but it wasn't that big of a deal. But for some reason, this has been one of the hardest things we have done in a long time, and it has not been fun. So yeah, that's what's going on in my life. And guess what I have to tell y'all? I have not worn makeup in probably a week. I've literally only worn my glasses every day. And so today I'm gonna put a little makeup on for the first time, and I decided just to cut the camera on and chat with you guys about whatever I feel like chatting about while I'm doing my makeup. If you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm putting on this chamomile eye therapy. This is from Made from Earth. It's organic, holistic, healthy. It's a 5-day eye treatment. I use it all the time, though. I don't go by no 5-day method, but it's really moisturizing and it just feels nice. Like, it feels like my eyelids are just taking a huge drink of ice water with a straw. So I'm going to let that sink in, and I don't even know what I'm doing. Have you ever not worn makeup in so long you're actually like, how do I put makeup on? I don't know. So I'm trying to get the rest of this Clinique out because I'm running low. So I'm just gonna try to get as much as I can out to moisturize my face. I actually haven't even been moisturizing my face, which is weird and unlike me because I normally like moisturize and use oils every day and every night, but my gosh, I just haven't had a chance to. And I want you guys to know I'm filming on my phone right now, which I do not like. I've got no lighting except this window in front of me that I have open, and I'm using 2 mirrors that are here and here, and then I got my phone right here, and I'm using the front camera, and I'm using an Android, so horrible quality. But you know what? Guess what? This is gonna have to do for now because everything else is packed up. So yeah, life has just been crazy. But let's see, I got something new I want to try. I've actually been dying to try it, but since I haven't put makeup on, I haven't tried it. This is from a company called Velvet 59, and this is a 24 karat chocolate dream oil. Hashtag dream oil. 24 karat gold and diamond infused oil, and it is chocolate scented. It's supposed to give you dreamlike skin. It has sacha inchi oil that soothes dry skin, while the 24 karat gold and diamonds lock in radiance. You can use it on your face and your lips before makeup application, and add it to cream or liquid makeup products to add moisture. You could also use it on your body. Okay, I can't open it. There we go. So this stuff smells like really good chocolate. You ever had like a chocolate chapstick or chocolate lip balm when you were little? Or maybe even now. I don't know what you do with your life. But when I was little, I had this chocolate lip balm. And this smells just like that. And it makes me want to eat it. But it's got like gold speckles in there, as you can see. Haven't used it yet, but I'm going to go ahead and try it. It smells delicious. Like, it smells really good. You're going to want to eat it. Oh, it feels good on my skin. It feels super silky. Lord Jesus, please don't let this break me out. I am not in the mood, and the last thing I need is for some kind of crazy breakout to occur. Oh, that'd be too much on me right now. Okay, so that felt really good. Girl, can I eat this? Does that mean I got diamonds and gold all in my skin now? Girl, I am already feeling radiant. Did I pack up my face makeup? Girl, I think I packed up my face makeup, so we might just have to do concealer today. 5 hours later, God is good. So I found some of this CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I'm going to put a little bit of this on. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm about to call this a stressed out makeup tutorial. What is this brush even for? I've forgotten. Seriously, I've not put nothing on. I haven't even done my eyebrows. I literally just put my glasses on and was doing whatever I had to do. Wearing the same clothes for days, hair up in a greasy, cheesy bun. Oh, that sounds like a cheeseburger now that I think about it. I feel like I can't breathe. I'm telling y'all, I've had some anxiety. I'm even having some crazy little heart palpitations because just too much. Okay, well that went on smoothly. Maybe because the oil. Yes, girl, I didn't even have to do that much blending, and it looks like, girl, it looks good, in my opinion anyway. And I am not about to go dampen my beauty sponge, because I ain't in the mood, okay? Okay, you know what? I could actually just stop right here and go like this, but I'm not going to, because like I said, it's been a while since I put makeup on, and I just want to feel a little normal today. So I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. tone correcting stuff. I really like this powder. It's really nice. It's lightweight. I don't know if it's got coverage necessarily, but I just feel like when I swirl that brush like this, it makes a difference in the world. But I just really like putting it over my foundation and concealer. It's just nice. I don't know. Have you ever tried it? It's like super affordable. You can find it in like Walmart, Target, little places like that. But it's just a nice powder. I'm going to put me a little bronzer on because I am looking pale as hell. And this is number 7, Maple. And I'm going to put it all up here because it's winter time and I want people to think that I have a summer glow. So believable. So believable right now. All jokes aside, this is actually a really nice bronzer and it's really light. So if you got light skin, girl, this is the bronzer for you. Put some on my nose so people will think I just got back from a Hawaiian vacation and the sun was on my nose. We about to go in with this broken blush from my friend Christy. R.I.P. blush. I still ain't never fixed it, y'all. Because I ain't had a chance to do nothing. I ain't had a chance to think about nothing. I ain't had a chance to breathe. I'm having a hard time breathing right now with this anxiety that's piled up on top of my head. But people don't seem to care about that. Let me tell you that. Let me just tell you that right now. Anyways. Looking like the clown that I am right now. So I'm actually going to do my eyebrows off camera because for some reason I take 10 hours to do my eyebrows even though they're like that big. I don't know, but okay. So I feel like my eyebrows is looking a little rough right now, but they could not be looking any worse than what they've been looking. So I'm going to let that go. Now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. I'm gonna try to be quick about this because I know my time is going on a little too long. Don't be looking at my broken mirror. Okay, I'm gonna try to go light today. Hey girl, hi. I'm actually so tired right now. I could just pass out. I really, really could. I'm just so exhausted. Anyway, there goes my line. So I'm just going to do that little line for now. I'm going to put on some mascara. And then I'm going to finish. I'm about to use like 4 Clarins mascaras and this Essence mascara because I'm running out of mascara. So I'm going to have to dig in every tube to get me some mascara out of here, y'all. So now that I finished my top mascara, I'm just going to go back in with that same liquid liner and just create a little wing at the end. Can you see me? Okay then. Okay, girl. There is somebody out walking their dog. Isn't that precious? There you go, girl. That's a wing. Now fly away. Now if only I could get this other one kind of similar. Then I'll be in a good shape. I just got a text from my sister. What does that say? Talking about shoes. Looks pretty decent, I guess. Uh-oh. Here comes that moment where you keep adding and you keep adding and you keep adding. Then you end up looking like Amy Winehouse. I need to stop. Now I'm going to put a little mascara on my bottom lashes so that my bottom lashes aren't feeling like insecure because they're naked. And because my other lashes got makeup on, I don't want to make them feel left out. So go ahead and put some mascara on bottom. So I just put some It's a 10 stuff in my hair, and I'm gonna let my hair air dry. I'm gonna finish off this look with some lipstick. And I also noticed in the bathroom mirror that my wings are not matching. So I'm gonna go in with this number 7. This is suitable for sensitive skin, so that's cool, y'all. This is the matte liquid lips, and this is in the shade Grace. So I need some Grace today. I really like this formula. I really love this applicator. Not sure about how I feel about the color though, because you guys know I'm like into nudes. This is kind of a nude, but it's kind of like a mauve-y shade. I don't know, sometimes I put it on, I'm like, I really like this color on me, and then other times I'm like, does that color work for me? I don't know. I guess you guys could tell me what you think of this lip color. It's super creamy, super pigmented. It just feels so smooth going on. And I feel like I have a lot of control with this applicator. It actually kind of bends. It's just flat and it feels so good. So I am finally finished with this look, and I am ready to face this day. Hopefully I get some stuff done today and get it over with, and then I can stop stressing and just get back to normal life, whatever normal life is. I'm not even going to try to work with these wings today because I don't have any Q-tips with me, because all of my Q-tips are packed away. Anyway, so I got these products free from Octoly. I know I talk about Octoly all the time, but Octoly's amazing, so why wouldn't I? Yeah, this is the Velvet 59 Dream Oil. This stuff feels amazing and it smells amazing, and it really made my makeup application like fabulous today. Like, I didn't have to use a sponge or nothing. It just went on so good and smooth and blended perfectly, and I loved it. So this is a really good product, and I will continue to use this. And I would love to see what other colors number 7 has in this lip product, because this lip product is so good. It feels so good. Application is wonderful, girl. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of me doing my makeup and yapping my jaws, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you're already subscribed, then thank you very much. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear from you, and I will see you next time. Bye!